go.
A threat of severe weather in the area, the test is postponed until the first good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary from place to place. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood watches. And for severe weather warnings,
this fella
the following counties in the KIH 58 listening area
decided he'd just activate first header.
Calhoun, Chambers, Cherokee, Clay, Cleburne, Jefferson, Randolph, St. Clair, Shelby, Talladega, and Calapoosa counties. In Georgia, this includes Carroll County. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device. We now return to our normal programming. These are the 10 a.m. detailed observations across the Anniston and Gadsden listening areas on Wednesday, May 20th.
How many times did you code the weekly test?
At Anniston, it was sunny. The temperature was 79 degrees with a dew point of 54 degrees. The relative humidity was 41%.
We have 300 messages.
Okay, decoded it 3 times.